Hello, Multimaths with Jacko. Firstly, shout out to these people on TikTok commenting on my video. It's greatly appreciated and I love the feedback. Right, my last video, which was on adding negative numbers, is up here if you need it. This video we're looking at subtracting negative numbers, okay? So really important, a lot of people make mistakes on this. So important, we must know that when you subtract a negative number, because the signs are next to each other, really important, they are next to each other, that goes to a positive. And what I mean by that is, if the signs aren't next to each other, so if you have -4 plus -5, similar to last video, because the signs aren't next to each other, it doesn't make this, okay? Whereas that there will go to a minus, so that'll be -4, subtract 5, which will be -9, okay? Really important we know the signs have to be next to each other, not just in the same equation, okay? Right, so here, two negatives. So don't think two negatives make a positive, it's only if they're next to each other like that. Apart from we get to multiplying and dividing, and I'll make videos on those soon, okay? So two negatives like this, that turns to a positive. So 8 plus 9, you are then getting 17 as your answer. And this next one, two negatives again, so that'll be a positive. So 11 plus 4 would be 15. Two negatives next to each other, that'll be positive. So it'll be -3 plus 7, which equals 4. Two negatives next to each other, that makes a positive. So -6 plus 4, that would equal -2. So I'd highly recommend watching this video right here as a big skill on a GCSE maths exam, which is not too far away. Take care, and I'll see you next time.